Hi, good afternoon. As we have discussed that we are going to have a review of, and there was a demand also. Somebody asked me today in the early morning that when you are going to do the review of this particular machine. So this is Ultra Pro Link UM1002. This is the machine, and it is really. First of all, we will go through the boxes. These are the boxes in which this machine has came. This is the machine. This box is of this mixer and this mic, and this pin was in this. It is not the same pin. We have changed the pin because the original pin what we got along, there was some loose connection. So then we changed this particular thing. So you may face this problem, you may not face this problem, that you need to check out. Okay, so this box is a little bit broken. You know that this particular machine we have approximately before 1 month we have taken. We did a lot of research in the market and few people recommended us that you should go with this particular kind of a machine. So this is single on wireless karaoke. It is having Bluetooth capacity of a 4.2 and it is compatible with all speaker. There is no issues at all, but I will recommend if you wish to have a karaoke singing, then you should have a bigger capacity of the speaker, because the smaller speaker will not give you that particular effect. Mic is already included into this particular box, but as I said initially, and I got the reviews from the market, that the mic is not up to the mark. So mic is so it is not a dynamic mic. Somewhat dynamic, you can say. The impact of the mic is not 100%, you can say around 50 to 60%. The mic capacity is okay. The machine works for 10 hours. We really checked for a long time, but there is no impact of such a thing. It works well, so it might be working for 10 hours, but it doesn't consume that much battery, I hope. It has a equalizer controls, so there is no issues at all in that. Echo control is also there in this particular thing. Now we will go back to our speaker. This is the speaker box what we got, and as they have written in this that it has a built-in mic voice call. Okay, we can pick up the calls and we can cut the calls also. It can work as a Bluetooth speaker. Then it has a 6 hours of play time, but here there is a pinch. The battery of this 6 hours, it doesn't last that much. It depends upon your singing and all. If you are using continuously for singing, then the battery will drain faster and then you will have to recharge. Then we have a USB pen drive slot, 4.2 Bluetooth, 3.5 aux input, memory card slot, and this is a passive bass radiator that is inbuilt. And then we have music call management. Okay, this is all normal things what we have. So this is the thing, and this is I think 8-watt speaker. It is yes, this is the 8-watt speaker. So we will keep it aside and we will go back to our main machine. We will check out the ports and buttons. So as they have said about the speaker, it has this only switch on switch off button. Minus is to reduce the volume, plus is to increase the volume, and this is the play button. I hope this is for picking up the phone calls and picking up the phone calls and to cut the calls. I really never tried with a mobile calling system, but I tried with the we use this for just for singing. That's it. But I have a suggestions that this particular mic build quality is not that good, because this is made up of a wood, and it's a wooden one, and it's quite heavy. It is portable, but it is quite heavy. And the drawback is that if you fall down, if the machine fall down, if the speaker fall down from your hand, then it may break. So be careful and handy about this particular machine or a speaker. Now the ports what we have. So passive radiator is backside, so it will give you the boost of the bass. There is a USB cord, there is a micro SD memory card slot, there is a 5. This is the charging point actually, micro USB, and this is the aux, and there is one reset button. I never tried reset button because this mic, this particular speaker is working fine. There is no issue at all. But I will not recommend you to use this speaker for proper singing. The reason is that the impact of this, it is a 8-watt speaker, but it doesn't look like, because I have other speakers, 5-watt speakers. These are giving me much more bass, and the impact and the sound effect is more in that. In this, sound effect is not up to the particular mark. See, majorly the money which they have taken, this is only for this machine, and other things you can take it as a complimentary, because this machine is an excellent machine what I have seen in the market. It is a very small machine, and it has those things which are required. Okay, it doesn't have many buttons and all. This is line in, this is line out, and this is the mic in. Okay, these are the buttons. Like, it has a mic treble, mic mild one, mid one, mid range we can control from here, and this is the mic bass, this we can control from here. Then this is the main mic volume, echo we can control from here, and this is the volume of the Bluetooth song which we will be playing, you can control from here. So this is small mixer, mini mixer, and here we have a charging point of the USB charging point, and this is a on off button. So these are all things in this particular machine, and this believe me, this is a very excellent machine. We can use it for the commercial singing also. Commercial singing in the sense, if you have any office, or if you have any crowd singing, any such a kind of thing, event, you can use this particular machine without any problem. Because see, I have seen many mixers, if you bring this mic nearby the mixer or nearby the speaker, then the echo will come. But in this machine, the echo point is not there. There is no such issues in this particular machine. Okay, now we will talk about this particular mic. This mic is, as I said, it has a pretty long wire, and the machine, the build quality is good. There is no problem at all, but it is a mid-range. It is not the professional one. If you wish to have some professional things, then you will have to spend money. As I said that they have just taken a money for this particular machine, and rest things are free. So the quality is also at par, that particular range of a pricing. Okay, so now we will set up this particular machine for singing, and we will show you or we will make you the feel of how the sound effect works. Okay, give me a minute. As we set up this particular machine, and these wires and all, and you need a mobile for this to connect your karaoke song. There are many applications, there are many on YouTube itself. You will get many songs with the karaoke, so you will get the lyrics, and it will prompt you when to sing and what. So these all things are embedded. Now this machine is this phone is connected with this machine via Bluetooth. And one more thing I would like to say, this machine has a Bluetooth capacity. This speaker also has a Bluetooth capacity. If you wish, you can directly if you wish to hear music directly here, you can do that like a normal speaker, Bluetooth speaker. But right now we are connecting via this, so we can use the mixer also. So the mixer capacity we will use as per the singer and as per the song. Okay, so at the first she is Vedika, and she will sing a song without a music, so you will come to know what is the impact of the sound. Okay Vedika, go ahead.
हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा.
Okay, thank you Vedika. See, we have not changed any settings. We kept everything on the maximum. Now everything is at the maximum level, and we will change as per the requirement if there are any changes to be needed while recording it or while singing. So we will go ahead. Vedika, use the song and karaoke song, and then go ahead.
तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा। अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं। तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी। I don't want to be free if it isn't with you. Baby, you're my whole life. I don't want to be free. क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। Thank you.
Thank you, Vedika. So here is Master Arav. He is going to sing the song for us, but there is some technical glitch. The song which he wants to play, it doesn't have a karaoke version. So there is a singer's voice is also there embedded. But we will try to morph that particular thing in the machine only. So you will come to know how we are trying to do that. So that is the gimmick of the machine. So that is another advantage. Okay. So Arav, we can start.
दिल में से बस गए, जिंदगी भर के लिए राजा बन गए, जीवन में ऐसा काम कर गए, पाप मेरे शाप मेरे चलते बन गए। तुम दिल में ऐसे बस गए, जिंदगी भर के लिए राजा बन गए, जीवन में ऐसा काम कर गए, पाप मेरे शाप मेरे चलते बन गए। दिल में जान है और जो गया कोई तू है, दिल में जान है और जो गया कोई तू है, दिल में जान है और जो गया कोई तू है, दिल में जान है और जो गया कोई तू है।
Now you will see the difference.
जंजीरों में जो झगड़ा हुआ था, तोड़कर को आजाद किया, तोड़कर जो जी रहा था, तब समझ में यीशु ने खींच निकाला। जंजीरों में जो झगड़ा हुआ था, तोड़कर को आजाद किया। जिंदगी भर के लिए राजा बन गए, जीवन में ऐसा काम कर गए, अपने शाप में चलते बन गए। जाने वो जो के आँखों में तू है, ले जाने वो जो के आँखों में तू है, ले जाने वो जो के आँखों में तू है, ले जाने वो जो के आँखों में तू है। Thank you.
So just now we have seen that this machine can be played in multiple ways. So we have to reduce the this particular volume. so that the music, it will lower down, and the music of the if there is someone is singing in that particular music, you can lower down from here. So that is the added advantage. And lastly, this particular speaker has one breathing light here, which is not visible that much, but this is here blue. So when you switch on or switch off, it's very difficult task to understand whether this particular speaker is on or off. But there is a breathing light here, blue color. You can view this is the light. Okay, yes, very small tiny bulb is there. So this bulb only that is the only method to make out whether this particular speaker is switched on or switched off. I hope my review of the machine is up to the mark, and you must be convinced with the things. At least I am very much convinced with this particular machine, and this can be used for various singing things, but only condition is that the speaker has to be of a good quality. This is not a good quality speaker, this is average quality speaker. Secondly, mic, we need a good quality mic, but this mic is also okay, so you cannot blame 100% that there is a problem in the mic, but definitely the speaker can be better. If you use a higher quality JBL speakers, then the impact will be very good, because the bass and treble levels will be very good of the music. This machine is totally thumbs up to this particular machine. This is a very good machine in that cost what they are selling, and the buttons are very soft and tactile. There is no issues at all. Very smooth machine buttons, and the machine is very responsive. So this is the review of this particular model from my side, and there are another two things which are available. I came to know that they are just selling this only karaoke machine. They are selling karaoke plus mic, and they are selling karaoke plus there are two different types of speakers available online, but I will not recommend to take speakers, those lower quality speaker. This is the largest speaker what they have, and this has all the features. So I will request you to go with this kind of a speaker, or if you have any music system at your home, you can use those speakers that will be of a very good sound capacity, which will give you good impact. Okay, so thank you very much, keep watching, and if you have any suggestions or requirements, you can post me. And I hope our subscriber in the morning, she or he has given me some message. I replied to them that we will do it. It was a very tight schedule today because of Dussehra, but still we thought, okay, let us complete this review, because this was pending from our side. We are extremely sorry. We have taken this machine pretty long back, and then we tried. My kids were trying and testing every day, and we are now using these machines in our school activities and all, and this is working very good. And the teachers, music teachers, they have given a thumbs up to this particular machine, and they are also very happy, and they have suggested this kind of machine to other students also. So 100% I am satisfied with this particular, only I am talking about this machine. Go with this, and thank you very much. Keep watching, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a great day.